In front of me is Huawei MatePad 11.6 PaperMatte Edition, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Privacy. Then click on Permission Manager and tap on one of those devices options. Following that, tap on one of your apps under one of those categories, Allowed or Denied. I will go with Booking from Denied one. Lastly, apply the best option for you by clicking on it and go back. Allow or Deny. So when I do that and go back, I can see that my app just gained access to this device's phone features. If you want to, you can also pick any feature and just look for an app that you wish to manage. Then instead of tapping on one of those options, select See All Permissions at the bottom and then manage all of those the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!